niya yung gamit ko. Good morning, happy Monday. So today's school holiday, so wala silang pasok. Okay. Minamadali niya ako. Ang aga-aga pa, guys. Punta kami ng town. Look, he got my shoes. Yes, I say good luck. Ang gulo-gulo pa ng buhok ko. Pero naligo tayo kagabi. Tapos naligo ako ng katawan pagkagising ko. Hindi ko lang naayos yung buhok natin. Si Kuya, naiwan sa bahay kasi susundin siya mamaya ng ama ng ama ni Oli kasi maglalaro sila ng golf. Tapos na yung footy, golf naman. And etong isa, kaya tayo pupunta ng town. Meron siyang pinapabili sa papa niya. Dito na kami sa Daktari, kaso sarado pa yung shop. 10 AM pa magbubukas. Anong oras na? Oh, 5 minutes na lang. 9:55 na eh. Ayun si Kuya, binubuksan niya na. Open. Yes. I'm going to wait. Ayan na yung tire ni Zach. Pero pag nakita ni Jan yung gusto niyang bisikleta dito, bibilhin na nila. Kami ang first customer. Good morning. Hindi pa. Hindi siya na good morning sa atin.
Where?
You ready?
Yes, how's it going?
Can you whip a tube in that for me, please?
Yep, can.
Have you got any dirt jumpers here?
There's only two, and they'll be pretty much when you walk in under that first rack.
Right.
Yeah,
There you go.
So yan yung sa bike ni Zach na palalagyan ng tube. And may gusto siyang bike na ipabili sa daddy niya. Oh, look at this. So this is my bikes. Meron tayo dun. Yes. Hindi natin masyadong nagagamit.
This way? That one.
RBC.
Huh? That one has gears. I don't want gears.
Why? Why you don't want with the gears? 1,000. Ayan, 1,049.99.
You said they had some too.
No, this is seated.
So what one is it? Well, that colour. Yeah, that's it.
What color is that? That one? Oh, that's more expensive.
Oh shit.
Ito 1,049. Ito 1,399.
Do you reckon you can handle that?
Huh? Yan, oh. 1,399.
Yeah, right, Holly. Yeah, but it's not a piece of shit, though. It's a carpet shit. No. You said that about the other one, but you didn't. It's all muddy and dirty and shit.
So what's we gonna do with the other one?
So he knows having that. His bike's no good. He's had that for years, that other one.
So why Kuya can get a new one?
So you can have Zach's.
I got
Yeah,
my
but-
bike last year.
TJ's is old now.
Yeah, I know. So Kuya cannot get a new
No,
bike?
he is. He's getting Zach's. Zach's is a new bike.
So why is upgrading, not Kuya?
Because he's not tough like all the other boys. Got to have one of those keep up with them. Think he's alright.
TJ can't hit him.
Oh, so you... What do you mean with Kuya? So you're stronger than Kuya?
I got mine last year.
So what you gonna do with that bike?
Which one?
This one. What you gonna do with that one that you can't do to your...
Cliffs and all that for this one.
that you cannot do to the other bike? Huh?
I don't know.
What's the difference, hon? Honey?
These haven't got gears,
No.
and these are stronger than. Are these stronger, Zach?
No, these are for dirt. The other one's just like for riding.
Oh, this is for dirt. And yung
Sure, 26.
and yung is
Same price, 26.
yung isa niya is for normal riding lang sa road. Ito for the dirt daw to.
I suppose you're on the helmet, so you think you're cool, right?
Oh. 180 na. 200.
One of them, babe.
Ah, not that one. So new helmet too. Wow, is that your is it your birthday? I thought we're gonna get that for Christmas.
This is Christmas for you.
Oh, early Christmas for you, Zach.
Nothing's at Christmas.
Okay.
What helmet?
What helmet? So si Kuya kasi hindi siya ganun ka-adventurous tulad ni Zach. So yung bike ni Zach kay Kuya na lang kasi bago lang naman kasi yung bike niya. What's that? How much? Ah, you don't want? 259. So si Kuya
Gloves, not gloves.
so yung kasi bago nga lang yung bike ni Zach din eh. So kay Kuya na lang yun. And okay lang naman kay Kuya. And siya yung mag-upgrade.
Has it got a stand on that?
No, you don't want to stand.
Don't want a stand? Oh, tough boy.
So how you gonna park your
This.
thing?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you need this side.
Cool and draw along
Get softboard, Baba.
Christmas, you are getting me one.
Don't stand.
Yeah, she can.
Yeah.
Do they have her size, honey? No,
Oh, you
no,
want-
no. Like Holy Hand, I saw one for other kids that doing surfing. They have their own size. Tingin siya ng helmet.
You know you've got a helmet. It does fall off, hit your head.
That's right. A good one, Zach. Huh? Na ano siya kasi ang mahal daw ng helmet.
Well, $3 grand.
Yeah.
Yep.
May utang kasi si Jan sa kanya ng 300. Well, hindi utang. Kasi yung bike niya, pinabenta niya na sa daddy niya. Yung motorbike niya. Right, Zach? And nabili yun ng 3,000. Ang bili namin nun nasa 4,000 plus. So, binenta na yun. Kaya, ayan, ito yung gusto niyang kapalit nun.
Look after me since you buy all those bikes from me. That's right.
Yeah.
Always buy me bikes from you.
Yeah.
And we get a helmet as well.
Yep, no, absolutely.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's the one. Then.
What helmet's that? Which one? What?
What do you...
I suppose it might be a bit limited to size.
Oh, right.
What fits you.
Huh? Alright, don't worry about the helmet.
Ah, you don't want it yet? Ah, alright. Si Sak nagsabing, wag na muna daw sa helmet.
Yes. Absolutely.
Oh, $36. Which
That's-
one do you want, Jack?
What's that for? Mud?
Yeah, it just stops it.
Just a guard, it will stick in.
Ah, to guard. Oh, bibili ng guard mud.
Oh, is that all?
Yep.
Oh, I can do that.
Yeah. It will strap, two will strap here.
Unless you want to do it.
Oh, it doesn't matter, whatever you'd like.
If you want to do it, you can do it.
The other two will strap there if you want to do it.
No, you
but-
can do it. You've done it a million times.
Yeah.
Mine look crooked.
How about red sock? This is nice sock.
Doesn't matter. I said
It looks nice. What color did you get?
white.
Ayan na yung tire. So, kay Kuya.
Well, when you put this on, I got it off right. So you put it on, but then that wouldn't turn because of the, where is it?
Caliper?
Yeah.
You
So
just
you
turn
always-
this side.
Just do that side. Get that one on. Yep.
Yeah, you
Right.
loosen it off. And
Hi, Zach.
may as well, make sure.
Yes, just...
Yeah, right.
Sabi ng dad niya, pumili ka na ng helmet habang nandito tayo. Isa kasi na ano siya, kasi namamahalan siya. Nasa 300 something, papunta ng 400 yung helmet.
So if you look at one
Alam niyo naman to
side,
si Zach. Pag nakikita ang price. Pero doon sa bike, hindi siya na ano eh. Kasi gustong gusto niya yung bike na yun.
That one? Let's just hope switch Jack.
Ah, it looks nice. I like the color.
Well, that's alright. Just go down there, cut that down there.
Just try it on and
Hold on.
shake your head heaps.
We haven't clipped her up yet. Alright, it's different. I've seen this before. that.
Yeah.
What, can you tighten it more up or all this? Or?
You can.
Oh no, I think he might be able to get tied off. So I might be able to leave it on.
Yeah, but just the rest of it. Like whether or not. Oh, the entire size is just a tad loose, but just rip it off real quick, man. If you
And then just go to some magnet. And then just pull it back towards your throat. Like that. Oh, well.
So there is that one that you've got there. That's the $300 one. The other options are $200. They're basically the same.
Ang ibang size. Pero okay naman yun. Size medium yung kay Sak. Kasi pag nag-smaller siya, nag-grow na si Sak, diba? Mayroon siyang nakitang magandang kulay.
You need to stick them on first,
Ayan.
on these ends.
Nilagay na
Yep.
yung mud guard.
Does it not have? Oh, thank you, man.
You're even now with that?
Yep. There's that one. That should be good to go.
Okay.
Right. Very good to go.
Gonna
You
bring-
didn't need a hand throwing anything out.
Nah, it's
We're good. Thanks, Mom.
No, mate. Definitely enjoy.
Yeah.
Later.
Huh?
Good Jack.
He has to ride it first. Babe, Sak said he has to ride it first.
Oh, test it, Jack. Got some light.
Wow.
I got the wheels.
Oh, come on, it's all fine.
I got the wheels on the bus.
Sold for Zaki.
So right now,
Thank you.
Mom and Dad. Thanks for nothing.
Nagpa-kuha rin pala si Jan ng blood test. Ayan. And we're going to Asian store.
No, to the Asian store.
I'm just gonna get rice. No, we don't have rice anymore.
Oh, watch your bike, Zach.
Siya raw maglilift ng bigas. Layo kasi ng pinarkan ni Sir. Wala kasing maparkan dito sa malapit sa Asian store. Magtingin muna tayo ng veggies kung meron sila. What's that? Ramoni? Yeah. Cold. Look if they have cold.
No, they don't. Mom, can I have one too?
Yeah. Cold, boy? Is it cold? Zach? Okay. Kaya tayong mango. Ito yung medyo, medyo may, ayoko sobrang asim din. Ito. Or maybe,
You need a bag?
yeah. That's not mango.
Hairy. Why can't I just put them in the freezer and when we go?
This, and then one of this
Mom,
one.
do you know what flavor this is?
No, you cannot. This is separate bags, but
Mom,
they have
do you
different
know what
price.
flavor this is?
Yeah, that's good. What you got, Zach? What flavor is this one? I'm gonna try this one.
Almond one.
Okay.
Do
This
you
one.
know what flavor this is?
Ito yung sour. Ito may sweet daw to.
Mom, do you want the sour one?
No, I'm just gonna get this one. One sour.
That's my hand.
Diba? Ang kukunin lang natin is, wait lang, nak. Wala silang sprout. Gusto ko sana mag-mango salad. Wala. You can open it now here. Push. It won't. Push. Harder. Okay, mommy. Mommy na lang. Okay, hold this bottle. Okay.
Wait, let me try some.
There you go. Do it.
Do you want a straw?
Do you want a straw? All right. Say thank you. Say thanks. No thanks. Okay. Thank you. Oh. Bilis, diba? All right. Try. Let Kuya Sak try it. Thank you.
Mom, exploded.
Okay. Is it good? Let me try. Let Kuya Sak try. No, that's better, the original. Okay. What's the flavor? It's nice.
You got it cold.
Tinouch niya yung kanyang bite. Coast tayo kasi kuha tayo ng rice. Silang sprout. Gusto ko kasing lagyan yung aking mango salad ng sprout. Kita ko, nandito yung sprout. And then, kuha rin tayo nito. I found it, Zach. Okay. Get on rice and chicken. That's right. Told you. Can you get one, Zach? The small one? Alright. Kuha kami ng bigas kasi yun naman talagang pinunta namin dito. Bigas. Asian nak. Asian. Where's the Asian? Here. Okay. We're good? No, Jasmine, that one. Yeah, that one. Oh no, the other one, the other one. Huh? I know. Okay, we're good. Wala silang line. Oh no, si Sak na inis na sa akin. Okay. Magsi-self-checkout tayo. Okay. We're done here. Okay, sa aking chicken tsaka yung rice. Diyan, punta dito sa BCF. Tsaka si Sak. Sa super cheap pala. Yung BCF dito. Ayan, may kukunin lang daw. Oh, diba? Ayos ni Sak yung... Oh, tingnan mo si Sak. Nakita ni Sak. Inayos ni Sak yung mga ano doon. Oh, done, Sak. Ayan, si Johnny Boy. Ayan yung mga kinuha niya doon. What's that for, Han? For the cars. Panlinis sa cars. Alright, Zach.
Nah, I'm just gonna quickly go up here.
Where?
Just up. I was gonna get a thing, Zach.
Sala, si...
Oh, you'll be hungry too.
Si Zach. Gusto na ni Zach mag-ride. Yan ko, si Jan ng lunch niya dito.
One potato cake.
One potato cakes. What do you got, Baba? Dim sum. Ayan na yung lunch.
She goes, oh, that one's chili.
And
So
then...
that's right, the kids love chili. Really? Yeah, I eat chili.
Is that spicy? Ah. How about you, Zach?
Spicy crocodile.
Alright. Si Kuya doon na yun maglalan sa golf niya. Dito si Kuya sa Blue Lake nag-golf. Yeah, somewhere there. Dito sa kabila. Kinakain na nila yung lunch nila. Wala. Maybe here? No. Maybe here? No, wala dito. Baka nasa gitna sila.
There they are.
There?
Up the back.
At the back. I-drop up natin si Sak sa bay jump para ma-touch niya na yung kanyang bike. Are they here? No. They're not here. Yeah. This one.
Wow.
No, no one's here. Kasi yung ibang friends niya daw nandito.
Huh?
Brockhaven does?
Yeah.
How do you know? Oh, yeah.
Ayan yung jump nila.
Go to the,
The council
no,
put this
Jet made him. The council let him.
the council let them to do this. Sila lang ang gumawa nitong jump dito, guys. Yung mga jumps na yan. So, tinatawagan lang namin yung mga ka-breaks ni Sak. No. They're not here. Skate park. So, hinahanap lang namin yung mga ka-breaks ni Sak. Wala dun sa sa breaks. Ka-breaks means friends. What? Wala kasi dun sa sa bay shop. Wala rin dun sa kung saan dapat sila magmi-meeting. Baka dito sila sa kabila.
Yeah, that's not them line. They're only
Skate
little
park.
kids.
No, Max is there. How can you see?
No, it's not. Oh, there's all the little kids.
Where are they?
Where's all your friends, Zach?
Here they are. Is that them? Yeah. That's Ollie.
Ay, happy na siya.
See?
Ayan. Nandito na. Bumalik kami dito. Ayan na sila. There they are, mga ka-Brex. Hi, boys.
Yeah, I just got out my phone and then there's no pass.
Oh, we done lap.
Where you been
Just riding.
around? Did you have lunch?
Oh no, we're about to go grab some.
Ah, okay. Oh, waiting for you, Zach.
1,300, 400.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh, I got mine second hand. I got mine 500.
Oh, that's good.
I got mine on sale. Oh, you need it on the handlebar, bro?
Oh, nakuha niya rin yung kanya 1,200. Kaysa kasi 1,200 plus. GoPro here, bro?
Yeah.
Where's your GoPro?
It's at home.
Ah,
Jump.
where's your helmet?
Where did you get that from?
Yeah,
I had two.
the pro one.
I reckon Charlie has one.
There you go.
Oo, mas mura yun eh. Mas 200 yung helmet ni Zach. Yung pro na kinuha niya kanina, nasa 300 plus. Pero mas gusto niya yun. Ang kulay.
It's Brock, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Same course.
Only has electric hand, right?
Hear me when I say let's make a night to remember. Let's celebrate from now till forever. This time we'll make a night to remind us we only have one life. Gotta live it out loud.
Get going, mate.
Another time and another place.
Go.
We could be lovers that can be replaced. But I still believe this time we got something. Something
Kay Oli electric yung kanya.
with paper away.
Oh, look at Brock.
Go, hard. Hit it.
Oh!
Yeah, acting's alright.
Ang happy ng daddy, oh. Oh, I'm happy too. Why? Go! Okay. Well done, Zach. It works, Zach.
There's no tomorrow we can leave behind. 'Cause we are the heroes of our own life. God only knows where we could be. We could be. If we walk away,
Wow.
nothing ever change. We make mistakes. We can break away. When I say let's make a night to remember. Let's celebrate from now till forever. This time make a night to remind us we only have one life. Gonna live it out loud. Hear me when I say let's make a night to remember. Let's celebrate from now till
Okay, see you, Zach. Be careful, okay? Love you. Be careful. Yeah.
You're alright, no?
Okay. Bye. Kanina pa pala kami dito sa bahay. And ayan, nahugasan ni Jen yung bike ni Zach na ibibigay kay kuya. Last year lang to binili kay Zach. So kay kuya na to. So ang ganda rin nito. Ayan, ang ganda rin ng brand nito. Ang ganda rin yan. Kaso si Zach kasi more adventurous siya. So mas gusto niya yung parang may basta ano siya yung parang may Nakalimutan ko yung tawag eh. Basta nagba-bounce. Hindi ko alam. Eto meron din pero yung ngayong kay Sak much better daw yun para doon sa gusto ni Sak na adventure. So yeah, so kay Kuya na yan and sabi ni Kuya yes. Okay lang naman kay Kuya. Yung kay Kuya matagal na yung bike niya eh. So eto last year lang. And okay pa siya and nilagay na ni dyan yung bagong ito yata yung bagong pinalagyan ng tube. Or eto, not sure. But, hinuhugasan ni Jan bago ibigay kay Kuya. Ito yung bike ni Kuya. Okay pa naman to. Pero matagal na rin kasi to. Ilang taon na to kay Kuya. So, yung kay Sak, na ibibigay ni Sak kay Kuya. Last year lang. So, pero yeah, gagamitin pa rin nila yan. And yung bike ko, andyan lang. Ang yung kay Holly. Ayan na si Jan ulit. Next niyang
I'm gonna help guys.
lilinisin is yung car. Andun pa rin yung bike. Ako, kakain ako ng chicken. Kami lang tatlo dito sa bahay kasi 'di ba may ganap yung dalawang boys. So kakain ako ng chicken. Punta natin yung mag-ama. Yeah, but little helper din. I know. And ayan, pinapadry na ni Daddy yung bike. And, gagawin ko na yung gusto kong mango salad. So, ito yung ginagamit ko para ma-shred ko yung mangga. Kinakaid ko lang siya dito. Tapos, ayan yung itsura niya. So, ito na lahat yung tatlong mangga. Yung isa, sour. Yung dalawa, sweet and sour. So, i-mix lang natin. Pero hindi ko lalagyan ito muna ng sauce niya. So, kukuha lang siguro ako yung kailangan kong kainin para hindi siya ma-soup ba masyado sa sauce. Naglagay na rin ako ng bean sprout, yung carrots, at saka yung coriander. Yung sauce lang ang wala siya. So, takpan lang natin to. Then, pag gusto ko nang kumain, kukuha na lang tayo dito. Tapos, i-drizzle ko na lang yung sauce niya. Amoy, ano siya, Vietnamese na. Vietnamese kasi dahil dito sa coriander. And even Thai, di ba? Mahilig sila sa coriander or cilantro. So, yan. So, ito yung dressing. Meron siyang sugar, brown sugar, honey, fish sauce, water, ginger. Walang ginger. Garlic, chili, lime. So, yan lang. So, mamaya, yan yung aking kakainin. Sarap. Tinikman ko na. Nag-dip na ako dyan kanina. Nakikita nyo, mayroong sprout dyan. Ayan, nahulog kanina. But, yeah. Yes. Hiya.
I just said, TJ, where's the yarn?
Yeah.
Just then, about, 30 seconds ago.
Oh, so Zach got a new watch and a helmet.
Who said that?
Zach, also a photo of it.
Where?
Bro.
Ah.
So, what is that watch?
Yeah.
Have you looked at it?
It's washed.
Looked at it.
Yeah, I haven't.
Right.
It's washed. So, you can have that now, yeah.
That's on top of now.
Gagawa pala ako ng soup.
Go out and look at
So,
it.
pakukulang ko yung buto-buto nito. Then, gagawa ko yung mala Vietnamese soup. Kasi meron ng coriander. Meron tayo nito. Yung, sprout. And eto. So, yan na lang yung pakainin ko sa mga bata. Ayun si Kuya.
I just took that bell off.
I'm gonna.
You'll-
That's I know, isn't it?
Yeah.
You like it, yeah?
Spray it all.
Hoy!
Put chain, 5 shot door.
Say as soon as we go back from the
Hey, you get the ground tied up a bit now.
Nagkwento niya kay Dad yung kanyang laro.
straight into a tree on it, up against a tree.
Ayan na yung buto-buto ng chicken. Nilagyan ko na siya ng tubig. And nagro-roast ako dito ng mga spices. I-roast ko lang to. Kasi lalagay ko siya sa ating soup base. Naamoy ko na agad. So, meron tayo dyan star anise, cinnamon. Ito. Tapos, onions. Tapos, ito yung Ano ba tawag dito? Nakalimutan ko. Naiba na kasi yung lalagyan niya, guys. Ayan. Nilagay ko pala sa aking tea bag yung ating maliit. Ayan yung fennel ata to, yung maliit. Yung parang hibla ng bigas. Tapos yung cloves, ayan, nilagay ko dyan. Yung star anise, tsaka yung cinnamon, and jam pa, tsaka yung onions. Pero ko siya idiretso dito kasi malaki naman. Madali silang itanggalin mamaya. So, ilublog na natin siya dito. Nalala ko ng Chinese drum. Ayan. Sunog-sunog na siya. So, nilagay na natin yung onions, star anise, tsaka cinnamon. And, tinanggal natin yung balat ng sibuyas. So, tatakpan lang natin yan, pakukuluin, and timplahan. And, nagluto pala akong rice. Just in case gusto nila chicken with rice or soup. May option sila. Pinikap na ni Jan. Si Zach. Papakita niya kay Kuya. Ang happy daddy. How did you go, Zach? 4:30 na o magpa 5 o'clock. Luto na yung dinner nila. Zach! How did you go? Good? Ay, ang lamig. Nalobat ako. Ayan si Kuya lumabas na. And, ayun, ibibigyan na kay Kuya yung kanyang old bike. And si Kuya, i-ride niya yung bagong bike ni Kuya, ni Zach.
Which one's better, Jack?
Huh? The what? The suspension?
You didn't tighten it. Can I go on the road?
Yeah.
Zach, come on the road with me.
Oh, you're right? You bounced back.
Daddy, come on. I'm going to...
Magbabike din siya. Siyempre, hindi rin niya magpapatalo. Ay, malamig. Yan yung magkapatid. May araw pero malamig. Nasaan na? Hindi ko na makita yun. Ayan, si Holy Girl. Hindi rin magpapatalo ang baby girl natin. Ayan na siya. Oh, lamig. Pasok na ako. Ayan, hiniwa ko na yung chicken. I-assemble ko na yung dinner nila. Pabila ko kay Jan ng 3 limes sa shop. Tsaka bread. Kasi wala na pa kaming bread. And ito para sa soup ng mga bata. Yan na yung ating chicken Vietnamese noodles with lime. So sila na lang mag-squeeze niyan later. Si Jan magtutoast kasi hindi naman siya kumakain nito. Busog naman siya. Ayaw niya magpaluto ng heavy dinner. So ito yung naisip ko sa mga bata kasi may kinuha tayong chicken kanina. So yan guys. Ay sarap. Ang amoy niya talaga parang Vietnamese dahil sa coriander. And yung mga spices na linagay ko. Dito na si Kuya. There you go, yeah. Which one? Just squeeze this lime because it's gonna... that one, alright. Here. Here.
Zach!
Si Holly naliligo. That's too big, Kuya.
No, that's good.
It's good? Niloloko niya ako. Like it? Like it, yeah? Try the noodles. Vermicelli yung nilagay kong noodles dyan. You should, fork, yeah.
They're hot.
Hot.
I've only got the wrong kind of butter.
Yeah.
No, I know.
Can look butter.
It still tastes good.
Yeah.
You like it? Yeah, just mix everything. That's the sprout that you like. We had the veggies. The veggies, yeah. Here you go, Baba. Ayan. You want to mix it for you? It's hot?
It'd be better with beef.
Beef. Next time.
I like this.
Sa!
You later.
So why do you do it?
Pinag-uusapan kasi mayroong sinunog na e-cigarette or vape shop sa Adelaide. So, na-bring up lang. Sabi ni Kuya, dapat hindi mo tinatry. Kasi trinay ni Jan, hindi niya gusto yung...
I've done a good job, didn't I, Tyrone?
Hindi niya gusto yung e-cigarette.
Took the bell off.
Zach, how is it?
Dad. Probably check this stand. Yeah, take stand up. I don't like a big stand. It just, when you hit jumps, it goes down. Yeah. Can you take it off for me, please?
Zach, what do you think of that? It's not that good.
Then who will pick you up?
Is that like a Vietnamese?
I don't like this one.
What? Oh, Kuya loves...
I love that.
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.